Look over at your auntie.
Video.
And I run
Turn here. Oh my God, that's cruel. Woohoo!
He kind of likes this. Watch. That's fine. That's fine.
Elliot, show them how you can stand.
Oh yeah, show them how you can stand.
Oh yeah, the standing. That's awesome.
Or he and I can sit together.
He's like our doll.
I know.
We just kind of we like to chill out. What's up? You throwing signs?
He likes to air guitar.
He does. I don't like you objectifying it. Oh.
Is that a smile?
He's on those gas. I just farted.
I'm gonna do zoom in.
You
Zoom
I
in.
know all parents say that, but he really is advanced. He's practically talking.
Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi guys! I can't wait to go swimming. Yay! I'm gonna torture the cat.
Yeah.
Ride the dog.
Yay!
Yay!